Hello and welcome to this YouTube tutorial on how to write a strong motivational letter for scholarship applications. A motivational letter, also known as a personal statement or statement of purpose, is a crucial part of your scholarship application. It gives you the opportunity to showcase your personality, achievements, goals, and motivations for pursuing higher education. A well-written motivational letter can make the difference between getting accepted or rejected for a scholarship. So, how do you write a strong motivational letter? Here are some tips to help you get started. Understand the scholarship requirements. Before you start writing, make sure you understand the requirements of the scholarship you are applying for. This includes the eligibility criteria, application deadline, and any specific instructions for the motivational letter. Do your research. Research the organization or institution offering the scholarship, as well as the field of study you are interested in. This will help you tailor your letter to the scholarship and demonstrate your knowledge and passion for the subject. Start with a strong introduction. Your opening sentence should grab the reader's attention and make them want to read more. You could start with a personal anecdote, a powerful quote, or a bold statement. Highlight your achievements. Use specific examples to demonstrate your accomplishments and skills. This could include academic achievements, extracurricular activities, work experience, or community service. Explain your goals and motivation. Explain why you are passionate about your field of study and what you hope to achieve with your education. Show how the scholarship will help you achieve your goals and make a difference in your life. Be authentic and sincere. Your motivational letter should be a reflection of your true self. Avoid using cliches or overly formal language, and instead, use your own voice and tone. Edit and proofread. Make sure you proofread your letter carefully and ask someone else to review it as well. Check for spelling and grammar errors, and make sure your letter is well structured and easy to read. In conclusion, a strong motivational letter can greatly improve your chances of getting a scholarship. By following these tips and putting in the time and effort to craft a well-written letter, you can showcase your achievements, goals, and motivations in a way that will impress scholarship committees. Good luck with your scholarship application.